What's up guys, Miguel here with another video. Gonna be working on this self-watering pot. I wanted to have an overflow so that when I put it on my living wall I can actually put the moss pulls on the self-watering pots as part of the automatic irrigation. And basically what I'm gonna do today is, in theory, this is gonna work. It's It sounds really good in my head, and today I'm going to make my first attempt to try to make it happen. I'm going to be using a 1-inch hole saw with a 1/2-inch PVC pipe and a 3/4-inch grommet. This one is by Gardner Bender, and I'm going to put a hole over here, which is a little bit higher than the max of the self-watering pot, and it's gonna work out absolutely wonderful. So since I've already got my mark over there, I'm just gonna take my Milwaukee M12 drill, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill this hole right there where I have it. I'm on the hammer drill, we don't want that. So we're just gonna make this pilot hole. And then now it's gonna start drilling the hole. Now that I see, hopefully this grommet is thick enough to actually fit inside the hole that I just drilled. This is my first attempt on it, so if it doesn't work out, I lose the self-watering pot. But if it does work out, it will actually solve my watering issues for my living wall. So I'm going to clean up this hole a little bit, and we are going to insert this grommet after the hole is cleaned up a bit, because that was a little bit not nice. Can heat it up a little bit. And see now if this grommet will actually fit. So in my head, that's what it's going to look like. Thought about this for about a week. I was like, how can I make it work? And from the looks of things, it might work. So that's in. Hopefully I can create a watertight seal. Making a mess over here on my workstation. Oops. Put those guys away. And then I'm going to try it with a longer 1/2-inch PVC. And what I'm going to do, or actually no, I'm going to try it with a shorter piece. Wet it a little bit so that it'll slide in, and once it's slid in, you can use all the other attachments for this to make your self-watering pot drain. I'm going to be putting an elbow over here and whatever to see what it does. And now that's what it looks like right there. It's pointed down because there's a curve on the self-watering pot. I even made a cutout right there so that you could see where it actually is. So now I'm gonna fill this, and in my mind it's not gonna leak on the side. Let me see how we could do this. And if this works, it's gonna be amazing. So now it's up past the max point, and there it goes. Doesn't leak over here on the sides, no water coming out, so this idea is fantastic. The way I'm gonna run it is I'm gonna run it in my pond. I'm gonna have a moss pole going up, and I'm glad it worked out. Hopefully this video will be helpful to you. It does go above the max water line of this, and since I'm going to be watering the moss pole every other day or something like that, it's just going to keep on overflowing somewhere else. 6 minutes and 30 seconds on this video. Pretty long video, but hopefully this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.